and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm J Castro, MUA, welcome. Today I decided to create this colorful eye look for no apparent reason. I hope you guys like this look. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel by hitting that button down below. I would greatly appreciate it. If you guys want to see how I created this look, then please continue watching. First, I'm going to prime my eyes using the Urban Decay Primer Potion in Original. I'm going to apply tape to the edge of my eye so I could have a straight line. So using a Luxie 205 tapered blending brush, I'm going to go into the color Campy and apply that to the corner of my eye. With the same blending brush, I'm going to go into the color KK and apply that right beside the yellow. So I didn't realize that my camera had stopped recording. So what I did, I used the same blending brush and I went into the color Snatched and applied it to my outer corner. So right now all I'm doing is just deepening it up. I'm just going to go back into the pink, deepen that up, and then back into the yellow and deepen that up a little bit more. All just wiping off the blender brush and then applying the color. With the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer and a packing brush, I'm going to carve out my lid. And today I'm using the Illuminati packing brush. Now that I have carved out my lid, I'm taking the Verimona packing brush and I'm going to go into Cake Face. I'm going to pack that all over the lid. With a small detailing brush and the same concealer, I'm going to carve out a wing liner. And with the Verimona packing brush, I'm going to pack the colors on in the opposite direction that I applied them. I have completed one eye. I am going to do the other off of camera. And I'll be right back. I am back and I decided that I would do the other three crazy colors on the other eye. So I used Kiki in the corner, Fishy in the middle, and then Pageant Queen on the outer corner of my eye. And then I just reversed it when I was doing the liner. And now we're going to move on to our face. So today we're going to be using the Farsali Unicorn Essence Serum. For foundation today, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Foundation in 103, which is Natural Buff. And for concealer today, we are going with my all-time favorite concealer, which is the Becca Cosmetics Aqua Luminous Perfecting Concealer in Fair. Using the Mercier translucent setting powder to set my face. Next, I'm moving on to my brows, and today I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown. I'm going to finish the other brow off of camera and I'll be right back. I'm back and my eyebrows are done. Now I'm just going to sweep away all of the excess powder. Next, I'm going to apply some mascara and I'm going to be using the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. Next, I'm going to be applying falsies, and today I'm going to be using the DoDo lashes in D307. These are very inexpensive lashes, but they look absolutely amazing. This is the first time I'm wearing them, but they look stunning. I'm going to apply these off of camera and I'll be back once they're on. I'm back and lashes are on. I'm going to finish my bottom lash line now. We're gonna go in with the Veramona packing brush. I'm going to follow the order that I did on top. And for the bottom lash line, we're gonna go with the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Waterproof Mascara. I really want to make the eyes pop, so I'm going to use the NYX Glitter Primer and apply that to the inner corner of my eye. And on top of that, I'm going to use the NYX Pigments in Pig. So now that the glitter on the inner corner of my eye are on, we are going to bronze. Today I'm using the Marc Jacobs bronzer in Tantric. We are going to contour using the IBY Highlight and Contour palette. And I'm using the Luxie 660 Precision Foundation brush, and I'm going to go into contour too. And for blush, we're using the Tarte Cosmetics Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in Party. Next, we are going to do my absolute favorite part, which is highlight the face. And today, we are using the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Illuminati. Next, I'll be applying lipstick, and I'm going to be using the Too Faced Melted Latex Liquefied High Shine Lipstick in Hopeless Romantic. Okay, all I gotta do is just set my face, and I'm using the NYX Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. Alright guys, that completes my freaking crazy ass look. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel by hitting that button down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Ow. Farsali Unicorn Essence Skin Pageant Queen on the outer quarter. Okay, but I gotta, maybe I really gotta finish this. I am recording as we speak.
Oh, so they can hear me. They
can hear it. Well, no, there's no they. I'll edit it out. But hey, we still have to go. We have to go print out the. What are you doing? What are you? You're like. Are you gonna go back over the bed?
Oh, how do I get back over?
You gotta go back over the bed. This is gonna be in bloopers. I hope you know that.
No, I did. I knocked over all your breath.
You son of a bitch.
I love you though.
Love you too.